Hello everyone, my name is Jack and welcome back. So this is going to be a quick video, and what I just wanted to show you in this video is how to get some banner ads designed quickly. And as I showed in the previous video, all those websites somehow offer advertising. And what we need to do is get in touch with those websites, ask them what kind of advertising opportunities they provide, and to perhaps show you some examples of banners that other people are using. In one of the websites that I opened up, we saw a banner related to the Venus Factor product, and you saw exactly what the banner looks like. Now, what you'll want to do when you discover these banners that your competitors are using is to get to one of these websites. Either go to $20banners.com, which would be this one here, and then get yourself banners designed. Or you would go to Fiverr.com, which is this website here, and just type in here banner, and you'll get a bunch of people willing to design a banner for you. Now, for just $5, you can get in touch with some of these people and you can tell them, I need a banner design and it needs to look like this one. Then you'll show them the banner ad of your competitor, because if you know your competitor is having luck with that banner, then you'll want to create something similar. Now, obviously, you don't want to copy it, but you do want to create something similar. Now, that's what you want to do when it comes to getting your banner designed. And as you can see, a lot of people here are willing to do banner designs for just $5. Now, this is the cheaper alternative, and it tends to be pretty good because a lot of these people have solid stuff for just $5. There's another alternative that's more professional, maybe, but it does cost a little bit more. It's not just $20, actually, because $20 will only get you this small little banner that you see here. You'll most likely need a bigger one like this skyscraper here, and for that one, you have to pay $33. It's still not a lot of money for a quality banner, so I definitely recommend either $20banners.com or maybe even better, Fiverr.com, because it's a bit cheaper, or so for just $5 you can get yourself a quality banner ad designed. Alright, so that's really it for this video. I just wanted to quickly go over those banner ads and show you how you can get them designed for you in 24 hours or less. Of course, this guy here says the average is a 4-day wait, but if you actually pay him a little bit more, which is upwards of $10, then he'll do it in a day, and you can probably find even some people here who are willing to do it within 24 hours, again, for just $5. Just look around Fiverr a little bit. You can even go here to deliver time and say up to 4 hours, just select that, and then it's going to show you those who are going to create the banner for you within 24 hours. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to get banner ads designed for dirt cheap. In the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about this method. Thank you for watching.